not a trailer for the next big Hollywood blockbuster. This isn't produced by Universal Pictures. It's not backed by Paramount Pictures. I created this entire cinematic video using an AI video generator. Yes, you heard that right. Every dramatic camera move, every intense action moment, every Hollywood-style shot made with Seedance 2.0. And the craziest part? You can create a film like this too, because today I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step method to create a Hollywood-level cinematic movie using Seedance 2.0. From idea to prompts to camera movement to final polish. Let's break it down, step by step. Alright, first things first. Every great movie starts with a great script. I already wrote a script using ChatGPT. Now I will break into these scenes and generate detailed prompts for every scene. I already generated prompts for every key element and video generation prompts for every scene. However, I will share the full conversation with you so that you can create your own script and prompts. Okay, all of my prompts are ready. Now, it's time to create the videos. Today, we will use Seedance 2.0 to create our video as it is extremely capable of creating cinematic videos with real-world physics simulation. I already made a video on how you can access Seedance 2.0 and create high-quality videos. You can watch the video from the I button. So, we already know about the quality of the video. So, I am not talking so much about it. Alright, now let's start our content generation. Seedance 2.0 is now officially available on Jimeng Jianying and only allows users from China. So, how can we access it? Don't worry, we have sjinn.ai. Not only Seedance 2.0, we can access so many other tools like VEO 3, Sora 2, Nano Banana, Seedream 5, Kling 3, and more. I will put the link in the description. Just grab the link and create your account. Once you are logged in, come to the Tools tab. Now you will find all the generative AI models to create image, video, lip sync video, and others. In the Video Generator tab, you will find all the popular and powerful AI models along with Seedance 2.0. Now before starting video generation, we have to create the key elements and character images for reference. So, I am coming back to the Image Generation tab. Now, select the model. You will find a bunch of options. I am selecting the Nano Banana Pro model. After selecting the model, you can upload reference images. We don't need it. Next, enter the prompt. I will copy the first character prompts and then paste it here. After that, set the aspect ratio and hit the Generate button. And here it is. The image is ready. This is amazing. Now, in the same method, create all other images and elements and then save them to your device. Okay, all of our reference images are ready. Now it's time to generate all the scene videos. So, I will come to the Video Generation tab. Select Seedance 2.0 from the Model section. Now, we have to upload the character reference image. After analyzing the first scene prompt, I can see that we need 2 reference images. Seedance 2.0 allows you to upload 6 reference images along with 3 reference videos. I already talked about this in the previous video. I am uploading the related images. Once all the images are uploaded, you can upload reference videos. We don't need it this time. So, I will copy the first scene prompt and then paste it here. Once done, I will mention the character images in the prompt. To do that, point the cursor at the character and type @ You will find all the reference images. Just select the related reference image. In this method, mention all the reference images in your prompt. Once done, set the video aspect ratio and the duration of the video. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. And look at this.
When the world falls apart, heroes are made in the fire.
This is really an amazing video clip. I like it. See the cinematic vibe? It looks like a video clip from a Hollywood studio. The camera work, the sound, everything is just perfect. Now, I will create the second video clip. So, I am copying the second scene prompt and pasting it into the prompt box. Upload all the reference images. Once done, mention all the references in the prompt. Set all other settings, and then hit the Generate button. Now, In the same method, generate all the scenes. Okay, all of our scenes are ready. Now it's time to assemble them with a video editor. You can use any video editor. After assembling the videos, add music, SFX, and effects if needed. Once done, export the video, and we got our video.
When the world falls apart, heroes are made in the fire. No rules, no mercy.
They said it was impossible.
Can you tell that I just created this video only from my idea? If you haven't seen me, you may not believe me. This is the power of Seedance 2.0. And now you can access Seedance 2.0 on sjinn.ai. Here's the thing. Currently, Seedance 2.0 is available only for Pro and Ultra users. You have to pay only $30 per month to access the best AI video generator at this moment. I will put the link in the description. Why not give it a try? Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear about your experience creating videos using Seedance 2.0. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!